This is a fully restored 1938 RCA Victor model 811K. The left switch is on and tone control, the switch between talk radio and music radio. The second switch is volume. Middle switch is band control, switches between broadcast radio, medium wave, and short wave. The next switch over is a control between manual tuning, electric tuning, and this radio had an optional remote control tuning. And the final switch is the fidelity control. The electric tuning on this radio is accessed by a push button electric tuner.
Name rights when you're talking about an important bill.
How does that happen? For somebody...
To access Bluetooth on this radio,
She's Speaker of the House.
Right. This is what...
access the shortwave band, go to the manual tuner and tune the radio dial completely to the right. Put the selector in remote and connect to Bluetooth at Tuna Firefly, and once connected, play your own music through the radio and use the volume and tone controls of the radio.